My name is Daniel DeBoard with InnerSea Yoga, and I am here with
Sean Levia.
Sean. Why did you choose InnerSea?
I was actually referred to it by a friend. I had a old army buddy that was looking to do his yoga certification course, and I'd been doing yoga on and off for about 2, 3 years. And when he said he was coming here, it was middle of February in a cold state up north. And I was like, man, Costa Rica yoga for 3 weeks, that sounds pretty nice. So here we are.
Right on, right on. What was your favorite aspect about the course curriculum?
I'd say how balanced it was. So I was expecting it to either be incredibly physically demanding or incredibly mentally demanding, but the way they paced the course throughout the day was excellent. You know, you got your yoga sessions in first thing in the morning, then we did some philosophy, then some physical workshops with the asanas, more mental work in the afternoon, and then ended with meditation. So while the curriculum is demanding and it packs a lot into 18 days for a 200 hour, it's nothing that is like too over exerting. You'll stay busy, but it's a really good paced curriculum.
Awesome. Thank you for that answer. Now, if someone was on the fence about joining an InnerSea trading, what would you tell them?
I would say don't sweat it. Think less, sign up faster. While you will be sweating physically while you're here, there we had all different skill levels. I, for instance, can't touch my toes. So if you're sweating about your physical difficulties, don't worry about it. We have another lovely young lady here who's a physical therapist and extremely knowledgeable, and the course did an amazing job of catering to my level as well as hers. So honestly, you should sign up. Can't say more than that.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
Take care.